This instructional video will demonstrate how to create content using an HTML editor, including images, using Canvas. To begin, we start on our Canvas homepage and we're going to scroll down to Pages. I'll select Pages. And then I will go over to the upper right-hand corner and select the plus page in the blue tab. And this would be our editor. It asks in this box for us to give it a title, so I'm giving it a title. And then I can just start typing to create content. So I'm going to type Stover University. To change the cosmetics of Stover University, I'm going to highlight University. I can make it bold. I can unbold it by clicking. I can make it italics. I can underline it. I can change the color by selecting this A. I'm going to make it green. I can highlight and put the color red around the word university. I can also change font. I'm going to change Stover to 12 point to 24 point. And you'll notice that not only are the tools across the top, but I can also see these tools across the shorter bar, and I can go through and select what I'd like. So in the event I want to change the font, I could change it to Arial Block. Simply highlighting Format, Fonts, and I'll just make it Arial Black. So that's what that would look like. I can also insert using this icon. I can insert an external link. So I'm going to insert just the Wright State web page. So there you go, and I select done, and that will be right there, and we can access that later. I can upload images. I'm going to upload an image. I can upload a URL. I can upload from my computer. I'll just go ahead and do that. I'm going to upload a picture of my house. To make it ADA compliant, I'm just going to put in house with lights. Select submit. And then there's the picture. A few other functions. I can upload documents. I can upload media from my computer, or I can record it. And I can do some basic mathematical functions. But again, the ribbon are high use items, and then you can also find the same functions right here. If I go down to the bottom of my page, I can save this. I'm not going to publish it at this point. This is just for demonstration. And as an example, I can select the WSU, and it launches the Wright State website. So that is how you can create content and upload images using the HTML editor. I hope you found this video useful.